to the board.
Akiaria hindi ya guthundura mutaratara uyu tauni-ini ya Nanyuki, Ngavana wa Kaunti ya Laikipia Ndiritu Mureithi ni athingatite kuga thirikari yake ni gutigirira mutaratara uyu ni waithirana gicunjĩ-inĩ kĩa 100%.
County government, the national government, the county assembly, the reason we've all been working together the last 4-5 months to develop this strategic plan is so that we all have a shared vision and understanding of what each of us in our respective roles will do.
Mureithi ni ugite ni mashakaite kuona makiria ma arutwo 1,500 matihotete kuingira kirathi-ini gia form 1 undu uria ucungiriirie thirikari ya kaunti yo kunyita mbaru mutaratara ucio niguo kuhotithia arutwo othe aria marikia gwika kigeranio gia KCPE ni mona mweke wa kuingira form 1.
1,590 children who are not yet accounted for. We must, in the month or so, be able to account for where they are. And we must make sure that they are going to school.
Oho munini wa county commissioner wa mwena ucio Esther Dhahabu ni ugite gicunjĩ kia 87 harĩ 100 kia arutwo aria maingirite thukuru-ini wa thekondari mwena ucio undu uria athingatite kuga mogaruruku mutaratara-ini ucio riu ni megutigirira gicunjĩ kia 100% kia arutwo ni mahota kuingira form 1 hatari mihinga o yothe.
The pupils from the catchment that are supposed to join at least day school because their parents have no fees have been forced to stay at home. You can imagine, you know, in those regions, as Madam CDE clearly put it, if a girl doesn't go or report to school, the next thing you hear, she's married, or if it's a boy, he becomes a husband, and the next thing you hear, they are cattle rustlers.
Ihinda-inĩ riu ni makomithitie aria maranyita itemi hari kuhira arutwo a airĩtu mahu makiuga aria mekunyitikana rita riri matikwengerio igego.